Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to invite friends in Poppo Live. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch out Poppo Live, okay? And then here at the bottom right, click on this icon, okay? This will lead you to your profile. Now all I want you to do here on your profile, you can see there's an invite button. All you need to do is tap on this. You can see the reward. It says it's $14 per person. So we're going to tap on this and just wait for this to go ahead and load up. And once it does, as you can see right here, we get a code. Okay, this is your QR code. You can tap on this and you can choose your favorite style to download. Just save this to your album and share this with people, for example, on WhatsApp, email. Okay, you can click on invite again. And then what you can also do is click here on invite now, and then you can share this invitation templates. So let's say this one right here, just go ahead and tap on share. You can share with all of these different options. You can even just copy the link and do it yourself. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix